is one more of the paddy field weed. Nowadays I am covering so many species that patience has run out to explain much about the species. You all have to look up in the internet if you want to know more. This is a particularly attractive weed. The flowers and all are very nice, color is there. Showy and nice. Then the leaf is like that. It has a little hairiness is there, and smell also. It has a little herby type of smell. So flowers are very nice. The multiple shades of pink are there, and in a good location it can tolerate some shade also. If you provide water and suitable little bit of care, I think it will spread quite nicely. And new suckers are coming out from the side like that. So that's how it looks, and it has a very charming plant. That botanical name is Cyathocline purpurea. On that correct detail I'll write on the title of the video, and those who want to see more pictures and all, you can check out my Facebook page. I have a page called Sri Banashankari Temple and Biodiversity Garden, where I have posted multiple pictures of all these plants. So this one is there, rows and rows of them are there, this plant. This region what I am now covering, it is in that it's above the Ghat section, say about 700-800 meters altitude. Then quite a heavy rainfall area also. It's called Malnad region of Karnataka. Then along with this Central Asiatica is there. Then this yellow head. All this I have made separate videos. The botanical names I can't remember. So many unique. The paddy field weeds over here are different from what I covered on the west coast. Quite different.